So we are back for another video. Today we have the PS5 Pro. Picked this up at Best Buy, same as the last time. There's not much people around. I mean, it's hard to say that there's not that much demand. You have Amazon, Target, Walmart selling it. Also, you can ship it home as well. But let us know, did you buy the PS5 Pro? And did you pick it up or have it shipped home? Alright, now that we got it all picked up, got it strapped so it won't fall on the floor, let's go ahead and bring it home. With its larger GPU, 67% more powerful, 45% faster rendering games, advanced ray tracing, with its upgraded 2TB storage. Now this is the digital edition. You can always buy the disc drive and that's sold separately. You have the model number CFI7019 and then the contents of the box. And here's the side, top to back, and the bottom. A quick box size comparison next to our PS5 Slim. Now this came in a bundle, has a disc drive and Spider-Man game, and it looks about the same height. Also notice the 8K, it's no longer there. In the thickness, the PS5 Pro is just a little bit taller. In the length, it's a little bit longer. Are you thinking of getting a Pro or staying with your PS5? We'll put a link down below if you want more information or what the updated price, so let's it up! Almost to 1K subscribers. Let's go! Subscribe and thank you in advance for your support. Comes with a stand if you want to lay it flat, HDMI 2.1, power cables, USB-C to C, and your regular wide DualSense controller. 2 manual quick start guide and a safety guide. Then we have your PS5 Pro, and if you notice, they're both matte finish now, top and bottom, compared to the Slim. One is glossy, the bottom is matte. Same on the other side, matte finish. Now these grills, they're actually just for looks. I thought it's actually for vents, so there's no holes in there. You can set it on top. I mean, you're supposed to buy a stand for it. I mean, you know, it's pretty stable. I mean, it's not like you're gonna do this to your PlayStation. I mean, unless you have kids, then yeah, put a stand, but it stands up pretty good. If you want to lay it flat, you got 4 holes here. Grab your stand. You don't have to worry about which side it's on. One is longer than the other, so it fits in there. But the other one, it has icons at the bottom, actually purpose for it. It acts as feet when you lay it flat. Let's put it down. You can put it this way too. Which way do you put your PS5? Look on the side to the back. Then you have those icons. Use as feet to make it level. Easily pop this out. Just pull it. Just 2. In the back, you have your HDMI 2.1, LAN port to USB-A, and you have your power. In the back, you got that Sony name. It's kind of hard to see in that camera, but in the background, you still got those icons. That's nice. That's extra. In the middle, you still have that glossy plastic, which I prefer, but it is a dust magnet, so just get a microfiber cloth. Then there's 2 USB-C port and a power button. Now, there's no eject disc anymore because it's actually on the disc drive. Compared next to our Slim that has the cobalt blue plates, you can see it's a little bit taller. And of course, with the disc drive, it's a lot thicker. Here's a view having it back to back. You got those fins or grills. And slightly thicker than the Slim. And I just noticed it has these fins here compared to the other one. You notice it a little bit more here compared to this one. Now, if you already have a disc drive, this can actually fit the Pro. You have to remove the plates, put a little pressure here, and just kind of claw it back from this side. Hooks on 4 clips and 4 at the bottom. Where there's a triangle here, just go ahead and lift up from there. Put the disc drive the same way. Put it down. There you go. As far as the plates go, so you can only use the bottom plate, not the top. Put this one on. Now you have a disc edition if you want it 2-tone. I mean, they still have the white plates. Would you rock a 2-tone PS5 Pro? So here's my white original plate from the Slim. Now it has a disc drive with matching plates. Let us know if you're still buying disc or do you download every single game you have. In case you're wondering if it would fit the top, let's just show you anyway. I see a difference here, also up here. Let's try it anyway. Nope, it doesn't even want to go down flush. Nope, doesn't even want to go down flush. Looking at the fan, you got a gray grill compared to a black one. Also, it looks like the fan is bigger on the Pro than the Slim. Yeah, and the hole's a little bit bigger. Let's hear it start up. So you have those lights that goes up to about the middle. In case you're wondering how much it weighs, it's at 6 pounds and 11 ounces. Compared to the Slim with the disc drive, 7 pounds and 0.7 ounce. Now this comes with a 2 terabyte storage, but if you want to upgrade it, take this plate out. Just get a Phillips screwdriver. And this is where you put your NVMe storage. With games getting bigger now, you're probably gonna need it. So just an FYI, if you put the disk drive, the stand that came in with the Pro will not fit. This is designed for the digital only. So if you put it down, yeah, it's not even hitting the stand. And this is the size comparison on the stand. This is the Slim with the disc. This is the Pro without a disc. But if you bought this separately, it'll come in the proper stand. Go ahead and connect it. Power. Just turn it on. Plug in our control. Connect to your Wi-Fi, then update your software and update your DualSense controller. Just a quick example of the enhancement, Hogwarts Legacy. This is fidelity. Look at the one end, the red damage spells coming out of the tip. Then the performance, the movement is just more smoother. It's more fluid, even on the ball when it's getting hit with the bat. Fidelity with ray tracing, a little bit darker. Shadows, not as smooth as performance. Still looks good though. Spider-Man Miles Morales on Performance Pro. Look at the legs when he's jumping and the cars on the freeway on the side. Compared to the Fidelity Pro, just a little bit blurry. Look at the leg movement. Just kind of like it's kind of jagged. Swinging around the city, this one you see more because of the fast sequence. Building passing by, trees, cars, movements. Then the Fidelity Pro, it's not as buttery smooth. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still good, but if you want that extra enhancement, that's why you paid the extra money for boost performance, and it shows. So that's Sony PlayStation 5 Pro. With the larger GPU, 67% more powerful, it's a beefed up extra PS5. Let us know in the comments below, is this something you spend extra money on? Or stay with your PS5? Let us know if you have any questions, so let's hurry it up to another video.